Tired of overpriced gadgets and just want a reliable CD player with a radio that won't break the bank? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm revealing 5 amazing radio CD players under $50, perfect for your kitchen, workshop, bedroom, or road trips. These aren't cheap plastic throwaways. They're feature-packed, dependable, and offer great sound at a price that's hard to beat. Whether you're listening to your old CD collection, catching your favorite radio stations, or just want a simple player that works, these budget-friendly picks deliver real value. So let's jump into the 2025 Guide to the Best Radio CD Players Under $50. You might be surprised at what you can get for so little. Kicking off our list is the Memorex AM/FM top-loading CD player, a compact and portable stereo system that offers great functionality for a price that's hard to believe. Designed with simplicity and convenience in mind, this little boombox features top-loading CD playback, AM/FM radio, an auxiliary input, and an easy-to-read LED display, perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, dorms, or on-the-go listening. Priced at just $29, it's one of the most affordable and dependable CD players you'll find in 2025. Despite its budget-friendly tag, it includes programmable memory, letting you customize your CD track order, great for personalizing playlists. The built-in stereo speakers offer decent clarity and volume, and its lightweight design with a carry handle makes it super easy to move from room to room. It's also a fantastic choice for kids, seniors, or anyone who just wants a no-fuss, plug-and-play audio player without smart features or subscriptions. For under $30, the Memorex CD Boombox punches way above its weight and earns its place on this list of amazing radio CD players under $50. At number 4, we have the Magnavox MD6924, a sleek and budget-friendly portable CD boombox that delivers simplicity, reliability, and great value for everyday listening. This unit features a top-loading CD player compatible with CDR and CDRW discs, making it perfect for both commercial albums and custom-made mixes. It also includes AM/FM stereo radio, an AUX input for external devices, and a programmable memory function that lets you customize track playback order. Priced at just $36, the MD6924 strikes a great balance between affordability and core functionality. Its 1.6-watt speaker system may not shake the walls, but it delivers clear, crisp sound that's ideal for smaller rooms, kitchen counters, or casual listening on the go. The built-in LED display makes tuning and playback control easy, and the compact design includes a sturdy carry handle. Whether you're dusting off your old CD collection, tuning into your favorite radio station, or playing audio from your phone via AUX, the Magnavox MD6924 is a reliable and practical choice. For under $40, it's an excellent pick for anyone who wants classic audio features in a modern portable package. Taking the third spot is the WTB791 Portable CD Player Boombox, a surprisingly feature-rich option that goes well beyond basic playback and still stays under the $50 mark. This compact unit supports CDR, CDRW, MP3, and WMA playback, making it versatile for both traditional discs and digital audio formats. But what really sets it apart is its built-in Bluetooth, allowing you to stream wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet. At $47, this is one of the most well-equipped CD players you can find in this price range. You also get USB input, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and even a remote control, giving you full playback flexibility whether you're across the room or right next to it. Plus, it's AC or battery powered, so it's ready to go wherever you are, indoors or out. The sound is clear and balanced, and the design is clean and modern with intuitive controls. If you're looking for a CD player that does more, with modern connectivity, portability, and a ton of features, the WTB791 offers incredible value for under $50 and easily earns its spot in our top 5. Coming in at number 2 is this fully loaded portable stereo CD player boombox, designed for listeners who want both classic functionality and modern features, all wrapped in a sleek, portable design. This unit supports CDR, CDRW, and MP3 CDs, and also features AM/FM radio, Bluetooth streaming, USB playback, and an AUX jack, giving you a wide range of listening options, from your physical media to digital devices. At $49.99, it packs in more features than many boomboxes that cost twice as much. What makes it stand out is the bass boost audio enhancement, which delivers clear highs and fuller low-end sound, making music more vibrant and enjoyable. It also includes a headphone jack for private listening and can run on AC or battery power, making it perfect for both home and on-the-go use. Whether you're playing your old CD collection, tuning into live radio, or streaming from your phone, this boombox offers versatile playback and solid sound quality. If you're after a modern upgrade to the classic CD player, this model is a well-rounded performer and an excellent pick under $50. Taking the top spot on our list is the MEGATEK Portable CD Boombox, a feature-rich and sleek audio player that offers excellent sound, reliable performance, and modern convenience, all under $50. This compact unit supports CDR, CDRW, and MP3 CDs, giving you flexibility to enjoy both classic discs and custom mixes. It also includes Bluetooth streaming, a USB port for MP3 playback, AUX input, FM stereo radio, and a headphone jack, covering nearly every playback option you need. At just $49, the MEGATEK offers premium versatility at a budget-friendly price, making it a fantastic value for any listener. It features a backlit LCD display that's easy to read, intuitive button controls, and a programmable CD function for personalized track sequencing. Whether you're listening at home, in your office, or outside on battery power, this boombox delivers clear, full-range sound with great consistency. Stylish, portable, and packed with features, the MEGATEK CD Boombox is a standout choice for those who want old-school playback with a modern twist, and it rightfully earns the #1 spot in our 2025 guide. So there you have it, 5 amazing radio CD players under $50, each offering a unique balance of features, sound quality, and portability. Whether you're looking for Bluetooth connectivity, bass-boosted sound, or a simple player to enjoy your old CD collection and favorite radio stations, this list proves you don't have to spend big to get a great listening experience. From the ultra-affordable Memorex to the feature-packed MEGATEK, there's something here for every need, space, and budget. Which one is your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're adding to your setup. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more budget tech guides, top picks, and real-world reviews. Thanks for watching, and remember, great sound doesn't have to cost a fortune. Until next time, stay tuned and stay classic.